So if we want to talk about fluids now, I'm going to start here with this tank here. This tank here is a diesel tank. This is what runs the engine. You use a number 2 diesel only. You fill this tank here. If I walk on along the side here, there's a dipstick in here for the engine oil. You check it with the engine off. Make sure you latch it back in place. If you need to add oil, the oil filler is up by the radiator at the top. Between the pre-cleaner and the radiator, there's an oil fill there. We have a brake system in here. These are wet brake systems. There's a master cylinder right here. If you need to add fluid to the master cylinder, we use hydraulic oil type 46. The battery box here, we use a 2 battery system. So there's 2 batteries inside this battery box. We have a port here for testing pressures if you need to. We have our air dryer here. And we have our engine filters here. We go along towards the back. On our fold-in hoppers, rear hoppers, we have grease zerks along these bearings. Along here. We also have a grease zerk right here. That grease zerk is going to lube the inside take-up bearing on this tail pulley. This is the outside take-up bearing. This is going to lube the inside one. So to grease the rear tail pulley, there's 2 grease points on this side. This one here is for this left outside take-up bearing. On the inside of this tail pulley, there's a bearing just like this. To grease it, we've put a remote line to grease it from here. You'll also notice some grease points on your cylinders. So a mirror image of this on the other side is grease points for the other conveyor.